what do we do?
We got kicked. My stomach is rumbling. This sucks. Of course it had to rain. We did nothing to deserve this. Everything just goes south when we're at our lowest. This is a bad day.
I want fruit snacks.
So cold. It's morning. Wow.
Oh, hey, Gus.
What's this paper? Is it gonna help us?
It looks like a map.
So we got these instead? Let's see what it says.
Not the desert again.
Oh man. Huh? We have to get more food, really? But they're in different places? We need that cookbook. We